Namaskar, my name is Nilesh Aksawade. I'm also known as Success Coach Nilesh, and I'm the founder of WIN, Worldwide Indian Sound Club. Now, the purpose of this group is to connect with all the Indians worldwide, collaborate, and cultivate their professional and business skills. So, in today's video, we are going to talk about the books that you can read to help in your personal life, or for your growth in your business life or professional life. Now, to achieve success in our life, we need new ideas, and the best way to get the new ideas is to read the books. And there are some of the books which has had impact on my life, and obviously you might have read many books. And you might have found that there are some important key ideas, new thoughts, new beliefs, new way of thinking, new way of doing the things. So all those things, that helps us to improve our life. So in today's video, I will share a couple of books which I came across, which I found it useful, and those are the books I wanted to share with you. You might have read many books, so in the comments, please write the books that you have read and you found it useful. And at the same time, if you think this particular video can be helpful for your friends, please invite them to join this group. As I said, the main purpose of this group is to connect, collaborate, and cultivate the professionals and business skills. So let's get started. Now I'll be sharing my screen. So the couple of books which I found interesting, useful, and practical, to have the immediate impact of my life. And those are the books which I'm going to share with you. So yeah. So the first book which I found, which is very useful, and it's one of the popular book. It's called as Think and Grow Rich. It's by the author Napoleon Hill. So if you want to, change the way you want to think, or you want to see how thinking affects your life, and how thinking right way can bring more positivity, or bring more good opportunities, or better career for you, this is the book for you. One more book I found which is useful is Rich Dad Poor Dad, one of the famous books. And if you haven't read and you are thinking to read this book ASAP, because this book is all about the financial planning, how the employees think, how the business owners think, how normal people think, and how we can think different to achieve better financial results for our life. This book is not about investing, but it's just about how different sort of people in the economy, in the world, they work, and how you can transition from one category, let's say from employer to the business person or investor, and what are the things that you should be doing to make that thing happen. So one of the popular books, you might have heard about it, but if you haven't read it, make sure you read this book. Now, next thing is the book is about habits, winning habits. Now we all know that to change our life, we need to change our habits. We might have some good habits or bad habits. Now there are certain habits which have immediate impact in our life. So which are those habits, which are those winning habits? So this book is all about those habits and how you can incorporate those habits in you. Sometimes you find it difficult to change the habits, so this book is good for you. Another thing, this book is by the author BP Baum, and the book is all about these sports, famous sports people in India. Maybe you will get the references from Rahul Dravid, or Aparna Popat, or Geet Sethi. So all these famous sportsmen, they have read this book. So please read this book. Another thing which I found is if you want to have an impact on your life, and there is a tool called as NLP, neuro linguistic programming. So how you can change the way a few things are stored in your brain, or how this book is all about it will help you how understand how your brain works, and how you can make the use of that knowledge to attract many things in your life. You might have some certain bad memories, how you can change those bad memories, or the impact of those bad memories, how you can think positive, or how you can attract some great things in your life. So this book is all about that. Simple book, but very powerful book. The next book I found is it's by Donald Trump, and the book is The Art of Deal. Now I'm not trying to communicate any political agenda or anything, but the simple thing, the book is very good. It's on the art of making deal. We all in our day-to-day life think about or work in negotiation, or getting the right deal for us in your professional career or in a business, or maybe you want to go for a salary hike, change the jobs, or if you are in business, you are looking for new customers, making new joint ventures. So how you can think about this making a deal, and this person Donald Trump has given some practical ideas that he has used, and which I found practical. As I said, there's nothing political agenda here, but practically these books are give you new way to think, and a new way to approach your life. And the way you approach your life, what happens, you start doing things differently, and when you start doing things differently, you will see new results in your life. So the ultimate aim for this group for us is to help each other in our professional skills and business skills. So that is the reason I wanted to share these books. Now, as I said, these are not the only books. There are many books, and you might have read many other books. So please, in the comments, type the books that you might have read, and you found them useful, and so that you and I, and other community members can get the benefit of those books. I like reading books, because the books gives me new ideas, because not everything in the world I know, but books helps me give the new ideas, better ideas. Somebody has gone through something and they are sharing their experience. So one of the best ways to to improve your quality of your life. So my dear friends, write in the comments how you found this video. If there is any particular book that you liked, you want to share with other group members, please share about that. Next thing, if you have any friends who you think should be part of this group, please invite them to join this group. And another and very important thing, is in this particular group, we are going to share the videos mostly on improving your professional skills and business skills. So if you think there is any particular skill that you want to improve, please write in the comments, so that me and my team can work together. We can figure out the experts in the world, who can help you on this one, and I will get their interviews as well in this particular group. And as a result of that, you will get to know the best of the best knowledge all across the world for you to understand, to improve your business skills, to improve your professional skills. So my dear friends, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.